I would love to see Rosa do her own show. Read into that what you will. Because, sorry, just to... no, I think that...
No, so why would you like Rosa to do her own show? Let's not disturb that thought.
No, that's not... I was thinking of the next show, the next point. But the reason why I think she dims her light to let other people shine. Very, very strong. I understand the concept of getting two very strong personalities to drive a prime show, but I think there's a lot she can do on her own, and I can feel it that no, she can go places, but she's being held back because she's a team player. So let me speak about the elephant in the room, Lady D.
Oh,
Lady D, for me, when you think of zoKhozi, she is the face of zoKhozi.
Sure.
She is zoKhozi, has been, and for as long as she's there, always will be.
Yeah.
Is there a plan for when Lady D is no longer on zoKhozi? Who's the next best person? Right?
Yeah.
Is Lady D standing in the way of somebody, or for what she does, she's the best suitably qualified person to be there? But a lot of people have been saying, it's time. It's time for what? So I understand maybe the talent, the opportunity for other talent to flourish, argument, but for as long as she's delivering on the mandate.
Also just now, but I agree with you when it comes to Lady D. She's relevant. Absolutely love Mamdud. 12 to 3, zoKhozi. So, Mobuak social media, there's been a lot of comments around that show. There are people that feel like that show is not just working. Personally, I think both Kings Fiso and Zim Dollar are great radio presenters. I'm not sure about them as a team. What are your thoughts there?
What's the show called, Grant?
Dance of 3.
Dunk. That combo is for a specific purpose.
Okay.
And to use the expression, the sum of the parts, which one is greater than the whole. So combined, they achieve what neither of them could do separately.